Hello students, welcome to Narayan PU College online classes, and today we will discuss some questions from the NCERT textbook. Boiling point order, they have given some compounds here, we have to arrange increasing order of boiling points. Clear? So first one they have given bromomethane. The formula of bromomethane is CH3Br, and bromoform you already know, CHBr3. Chloromethane CH3Cl, dibromomethane CH2Br2. Clear? Now we have to arrange the boiling point orders. You already know, yesterday in the last video we have discussed, as the number of halogen atoms increases, then surface area increases and van der Waals forces increases, automatically boiling points also increases. And you know, here they have given one is chlorine and another one is bromine. You know, chlorine atomic mass is less than the bromine atomic mass. You know that as the atomic mass of the atom increases, boiling points also increases. So that's why if you compare among these four, CH3Cl will have low boiling point. This is low boiling point. Clear? And next one CH3Br. Why? Because in this case, in the second compound 3 bromine atoms are there and here 2 bromine atoms are there, but here 1 bromine atom. As the number of halogen atoms increases, boiling point increases, so that's why. And the next will come here 1. And after that, compare these two. I already said here 3 bromine atoms and here 4 bromine atoms. So next will come 4 and the highest will be for the bromoform. This is the increasing order of boiling points of these compounds. Second one is 1-chloropropane. Propane means 3 carbons. 1 chlorine atom is added. This is 1-chloropropane. Isopropyl chloride. You know isopropyl, CH3CH3. This group we will call as isopropyl. Iso group. And how many carbon atoms are there? 3. So isopropyl. To the isopropyl group chlorine is added. So that's why isopropyl chloride. And chlorobutane. Chlorobutane means bute means how many? 4 carbons. So that's why Cl. Clear? And you know that in the last video we have discussed, as the length of the chain increases, boiling points also increases, because here halogen atom is same. You have to check the length of the alkyl group. And if you see here 4 carbon chain length and here 3 carbon chain length. So that's why as the chain length increases, boiling points increases. So that's why highest will have the third one. Highest will have third one. Here, next one. We have to compare between these two. You know that this is branching. Here one branch has come. As the branching increases, boiling points decreases. So that's why next will come here highest. Compared to these two, this one will have the highest boiling point. And next one, last one is second. This is the increasing order of boiling points. Next one is chemical reactions of alkyl halides. The chemical reactions of alkyl halides are divided into 3 categories. The first one is here, nucleophilic substitution reactions. First one, what it is? Nucleophilic substitution reactions. Nucleophilic substitution reactions. And the second one is elimination reactions. Second one is elimination reactions. Third one is reaction with metals. Reaction with metals. Clear? So these are chemical reactions of alkyl halides are divided into 3 categories. First one is nucleophilic substitution reaction, elimination reaction, and reaction with metals. So first we will discuss about nucleophilic substitution reactions. Okay? And after completion of that we will go for the elimination, and then after that we will go for the reactions with metals. So now we will discuss about nucleophilic substitution reactions. First one, nucleophilic substitution reaction. You see now, first of all, nucleophile we have already discussed in the first year. What is the nucleophile? We have already discussed. And you know that phile means attraction. What it is? Attraction. Or you can say loving. Phile means what it is? Loving. Clear? And you know nucleo means nucleus. Nucleo means what it is? Nucleus. Nucleus means what it is? Nucleus will have which charge? Positive charge. These are. Means what are the nucleophiles means? A nucleus loving species called as nucleophile. And nucleus means positive charge. Means positive charge loving species we will call as a nucleophile. Means you know positive charge here, and nucleophile wants to make bond with the positive charge, means we will call the species with the positive charge we will call as a electrophile. Clear? So here nucleophile, it loves the positive charge center. Then it make a bond by donating pair of electron, because to form a bond 2 electrons required. So nucleophile should have at least 1 pair of electrons. So nucleophiles are electron rich species. Clear? Nucleophiles are electron rich. These are electron rich species. Clear? So we have discussed the types of the nucleophiles in the first year. I will not discuss again all these things. Clear? And what are the electron rich means? It should have at least 1 lone pair. Lone pair compounds, we can say lone pair compounds or lone pair, and if any molecules having the negative charge, these we will consider as a nucleophiles. Clear? Now what is nucleophilic substitution reactions? These are the reaction in which a nucleophile replaces already existing nucleophile in the molecule, and these reactions we will call as a nucleophilic substitution reactions. What are the nucleophilic substitution reactions? These are the reactions in which a nucleophile replaces other nucleophile already existed in the molecule, and these reactions we will call as nucleophilic substitution reactions. And why we will call it nucleophilic substitution? Because the substitution reactions are initiated by the nucleophile. The substitution reactions are initiated by nucleophile, so that's why we will call it is a nucleophilic substitution reactions. Clear? Simple example I will write, then you will understand what are the nucleophilic substitution reactions. I will write here X, and reaction this nucleophile reacted with the alkyl halide, and now you know that in this one the carbon and halogen, this bond is a polar bond. Means polar means a halogen is more electronegative than the carbon, so that's why, and it takes the pair of electrons towards it, then it acquires the which charge? Negative charge, and it acquires the positive charge. Gaining electrons means negative charge. Losing electron, which one is losing electron? Carbon losing electron and halogen gaining electron, so it acquires negative charge and it positive charge. You know that this is a positive charge, so that's why nucleophile what it will do? It is electron rich, so it donates the electrons to this carbon and making a bond. Clear? By donating and pair of electron and making bond. Clear? But here carbon is having how many bonds here? Already 4. Carbon should form how many bonds? 4 bonds only. If it is making another bond, then how many bonds will be there with the carbon? 5. So that's why one bond should break, and this bond and breaks, and then you will get the compound is this is. And which one will be added here? Nucleophile, and plus which one is removed here? X minus. This is we will call nucleophilic substitution reaction. See here.